is this cruise here in town, and they're starting to drive. Well, I don't trust Serenity quite yet, but we can start her up and then join in. Here, let me see if I can zoom in. Plus, I do need to start her up. So, for the sake and for the honor of the Vinton Cruise, whoops, we're going to properly set you up like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pumps to turn her over some more. Yeah, I needed to turn her over. Oh, it sounds so much quieter with the doghouse on. Oh, speaking of which, what do you guys think? First coat, but what do you think? Like it? Yeah. So the good news is nothing wrong with her engine, and all it was the pulleys. Sometimes your girl does know what she's talking about, and yeah, this whole town smells like Mopar, and I love it. Girl! Alright, new seals. Pretty much I want to do all brand new rubber on this thing since the engine is good. And frame's good. So basically after that it's just making sure the transmission's kicking ass and blowing the cobwebs out of this poor old girl. Yeah. Alright. I'm pretty happy. Alright, Vinton Cruise. That is my little happy moment of enjoyment to being able to join in. So, I'm gonna let you guys go.